跳咧跳到第五頁啦。第二個化學反應 reactions of metals with water，OK 嚇，金屬與水嘅反應咁水嘅反應咧就又係我哋要用呢個 metals reactivity series 金屬活性序咧嚟即係去記嘅，得唔得？頭三隻非常之活潑 ，very reactive， 咁所以佢直接同冷水有化學反應生成 metal hydroxide，OK。呢個叫做氫氧化 M 或者我哋正式學名嘅金屬氫氧化物，得唔得？去到近中間呢堆咧咁咧就同水蒸氣同 steam 有化學反應，咁變成咗 metal oxide 個氧化 M 嘅。但係不論咧佢同冷水反應或者同個水蒸氣反應都好咧其實咧都係會生成咧 hydrogen 氫氣嘅，得唔得？咁再低啲嗰啲咧下半版嗰啲咧。就自然冇反應啦。咁呢類都一樣咧，要特別留意啦，就係個 observation 啦，係咪？咁你頭兩隻咧就係即係喺同水有激烈嘅化反應啦，咁嘅情況就會係咁啦我哋話融化成銀色小球就 melts into a silvery ball 啦，OK melts 呢個字解融化啦，OK 在水面上快速移動move quickly on water on the surface on the water surface 啦。咁有時聲啦，咁我哋英文嘅 he 聲啦，係咪生成無色氣體咧就係 colourless gas is given out，OK 得唔得？calcium 咧其實嗰個鈣咧同水嘅反應咧都係好類近嘅，都係差唔多嗰啲嘢，但係佢有一個好唔同嘅地方就係 it sinks to the bottom， 佢係沉於水底嘅，就唔係好似頭先嗰啲咧話係浮於水面啦。喺個 water surface 嗰度啊嘛，係咪？咁呢個位成日啲 MC 都會 trap 你嘅，即係同水反應得嚟，但係有一啲係浮，有啲係沉嘅。OK，咁你自己要小心啲啦。OK，咁去到咧呢一個嘅react with steam 咧水蒸氣嗰啲咧就最簡單嘅啫。其實最主要我哋見到咧就係佢有 colourless gas 嘅啫同埋呢一個都通常都比較少寫呢個 white powder， 即係話反應完之後嗰啲嘢咁樣咁樣。好，咁再翻去記一記啲 observation 同埋啲 equation 好喎。